The Burnside Bridge has been designated as a major east-west lifeline route by Metro and other local governments. A lifeline route is one designated to be available quickly after a major disaster.
So ODOT has designated I-205 as a statewide lifeline route. The Portland region has selected Burnside Street as an east-west lifeline route. This would be an important connection across the river for the entire region, connecting Gresham through Portland all the way to our western suburbs.
The Burnside Bridge is in the core of downtown Portland. It serves over 40,000 vehicles, over 2,000 bicyclists and pedestrians every day. And it also opens for river traffic over 300 times a year. There are major hospitals near Burnside Street, and they'd expect to be able to use this bridge immediately after an earthquake.
Having reliable routes for public transportation after an earthquake or any disaster is incredibly important. We know now that if there is an earthquake, we'll have many bridges out of service, and that will put incredible stress on our ability to serve our customers. It's incredibly important that we have a number of routes, including the Burnside Bridge in central Portland, that we can rely on after an earthquake to reestablish service, really for the benefit of our whole region.
All of our downtown bridges were designed long before earthquake engineering became a science. None of them would do well at all after an earthquake. We'd probably see them collapse into the river or at least not be in service. The Burnside Bridge is an old bridge. It's nearing the end of its service life. We're seeing deteriorating concrete, corrosion, mechanical systems aging. It's really time to do something about this bridge. Major infrastructure projects like this can take over a decade to develop. We want to get started quickly so that we can have a seismically resilient Burnside Bridge as soon as possible.
Multnomah County is investing in the future. A feasibility study is underway to help make the Burnside Bridge earthquake ready. We can't do this without you. Please join the conversation and learn more at burnsidebridge.org.